Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Dear students, first I will congratulate you for promoted to the new class. आपका न्यू सेशन 23 अप्रैल से स्टार्ट हो चुका है. इट्स योर फर्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर ऑफ साइंस. There is no online class. We will share video lecture which you can watch anytime on YouTube. One more thing, that books are not available in the market. So dear student, you have to watch all the lectures with concentration. So dear student, now I am going to start first unit, that is the food and balanced diet. Okay, so first come to the food. You know well that all the living things need food. We need food when we are hungry. Our body need food to grow strong and healthy. Food give us energy for work and play. Okay, so you know well that we get energy from the food. When we do anything, if we are playing, if we are doing any work, we need energy, because energy is the power to do work. So good food make our bones and body strong. Okay, if you eat healthy food, so your bones and body strong. Our food comes from plants and animals. Clear? हम जो फूड खाते हैं, सो वी गेट फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. जैसे कि हम कुछ वेजिटेबल्स खाते हैं, वी गेट फ्रॉम दीज फ्रॉम द plants. Okay, and we also eat meat, and we get these meat from some animals. Healthy food or healthy eating means. Okay, so what is healthy food? Healthy food or healthy eating means eating a variety of food that give you nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good and have energy. Okay, so a healthy diet provides the energy you need to stay active all the day. Different food have different nutrients. Okay, so the question is that what are nutrients? Nutrients you need for growth and repair, helping you to stay strong and healthy. Okay, and help to prevent diet related illness. It's mean that nutrients mean ग़िज़ाइयत. मुख्तलिफ़ फूड में मुख्तलिफ़ ग़िज़ाइयत पाई जाती है. यही ग़िज़ाइयत हमारी ग्रोथ में हेल्प करती है और हमें मुख्तलिफ़ बीमारियों से बचाती है. A healthy diet may help to prevent certain long-term diseases. हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होती है ताकि ये तमाम काम अच्छे तरीके से परफॉर्म कर सकें and keep you alive. और हमें ये एनर्जी न्यूट्रिएंट्स से मिलती है जो कि फूड में मौजूद होती है. क्लियर? So now that you eat mostly carbon dioxide, protein, fats, minerals, vitamins and other nutrients that are also important in your diet to help your body to stay healthy. Okay, so there are 5 food groups. Food is divided into 5 groups. Okay, that according to what they do for the body. So the first one you can also see in this picture, the first food group is grain. Okay, so food in the grain group give us carbohydrates which our body needs to produce energy. They are the major source of quick energy for us. Food in this group also contain fiber which help with digestion. Okay, so in carbohydrate, in grain group we get carbohydrates. Okay, और इसमें फाइबर भी पाया जाता है जिसकी वजह से हमारी डाइजेशन बहुत इजीली हो जाती है. So the examples are bread, rice, potato, popcorn, spaghettis, porridge, etc. Next food group is the fruits and vegetables. So food in this group give us vitamins and minerals which help our body to fight against diseases. Clear? So because of vitamins and minerals our body fight against diseases. अगर हमारी बॉडी में कोई भी germs, कोई बीमारियां वगैरह है तो इससे कौन फाइट करता है? Vitamins and minerals, okay? And keep our body healthy and fit. Minerals help us in growth too. We also get fiber from the food of this group. Okay, so इसमें हमारे पास examples हैं all the vegetables and fruit जिसमें है apple, mango, apricot, orange, banana, spinach, cauliflower, carrot, etc. So next food group is the meat. Food in this group give us proteins. Okay, so we get proteins from the meat. Clear? हमें सब गोश्त वगैरह से क्या मिलता है? We get proteins from this group which are very important for our body. Proteins are body building food. Okay, they build our body. They help our body to build up and repair tissues and muscles. ये हमारे tissue और muscles को repair करता है. Clear? जिसमें हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल है fish, beef, mutton, beans, chicken, eggs, etc. Clear? So next हमारे पास food group है milk. Also known as milk is also known as dairy group. जो भी चीज़ें मिल्क से बनती हैं they are called the dairy group. Okay, these food give us calcium, so we get calcium from the milk. Okay, one of the important minerals for our body, it make our bones and teeth healthy and strong. Okay, आपने देखा होगा कि डॉक्टर्स भी हमें मिल्क पीने के लिए कहते हैं because we get calcium from the milk. Okay, जो कि हमारे टीथ और हमारे बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखते हैं. We also get protein from this group जिसमें हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल है मिल्क, योगर्ट, चीज़, etc. The last one group is fats, oil and sweets. Okay, so food in this group give us energy and keep our body warm. ठीक है, ये हमें हमारी बॉडी को वार्म रखते हैं और हमें एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करती है. But it is important to have some amount of this group in our diet. Okay, लेकिन फिर भी हमें इस ग्रुप में से बहुत लिटल अमाउंट यूज़ करना चाहिए. Too much of these foods can make us fat. ठीक है, जिसमें हमारे पास एग्जांपल्स हैं स्वीट्स, चॉकलेट, केक, आइसक्रीम, फ्राइड फूड, मीट, बटर, चीज़, etc. So all these are the food groups, but there are some food groups which we should eat a little amount. Okay, so now the next topic is healthy and unhealthy food. First of all, come to the healthy food. So healthy food or healthy eating means eating a variety of food that give you nutrients. In order to have healthy body, we should eat variety of food. आप ये जानते होंगे कि हम healthy body हम चाहते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमें मुख्तलिफ वैरायटी के फूड खाने चाहिए क्योंकि हर फूड की अपनी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू होती है. अगर हम एक ही किस्म का फूड खाते रहेंगे तो हमारी बॉडी में न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी हो जाएगी. इसीलिए हमें मुख्तलिफ अक़साम की खुराक लेनी चाहिए. क्लियर? So the next is the benefits of healthy food, eating healthy food. Okay, that what are the benefits of eating healthy food? One of the main reason people eat healthy diet is to maintain a healthy weight. ठीक है, if you eat unhealthy food तो हमारे weight जो है वो gain करेगा, हम fat हो जाएंगे. So if you eat the healthy food, it will maintain the our weight. Okay. So next point है कि healthy eating habit can improve your heart healthy and can prevent health heart diseases. क्लियर, हमें जितनी भी हमारे दिल की बीमारियां हैं इससे हमें बचाता है इफ़ यू ईट द हेल्दी फूड. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है दैट अ हेल्दी डाइट कैन हेल्प इंडिविजुअल, okay, make sure that have strong teeth and bones now and in future, this preventing teeth decay and body aches. हमारे जो टीथ में डीके वगैरह हो जाते हैं, जो हमारे टीथ ख़राब हो जाते हैं, ये हमें हेल्दी फूड हमें इससे बचाती है. हमें हमारे टीथ को, हमारे बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखते हैं. क्लियर, इफ़ यू ईट द हेल्दी फूड. बेटर mood and energy level. You are what you eat. If you eat a balanced healthy diet, you will feel better and more energized. Clear? So, and it also improve our memory and brain health. Eating healthy increase the blood flow to the brain, which help to prevent brain diseases. क्लियर, जो हमारे ब्रेन की बीमारियों से हमें बचाती है. सो नाउ व्हाट इज़ द जंक फूड? जंक फूड इज़ आल्सो नोन एज अ फास्ट फूड. ओके, सो जंक फूड इज़ अनहेल्दी फूड दैट इज़ हाई इन कैलोरीज फ्रॉम शुगर टू फैट with little dietary fiber and other important form of nutritional value. ओके, जैसे कि हमारी बॉडी को फैट्स की ज़रूरत होती है लेकिन ये बहुत कम अमाउंट में होनी चाहिए. इसी तरह से जंक फूड में शुगर और फैट्स ज़्यादा अमाउंट में पाए जाते हैं और हमारी बॉडी को तमाम न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रोवाइड नहीं होते. क्लियर? सो नाउ आई विल टेल which kind of food can be fast food. For example, the food that burgers, French fries and fizzy drinks, okay, these are the fast food. They have a good taste but they do not have any nutrition value. Remember, dear students, although may taste so good but they have no positive side effect, because they are unhealthy for us. Okay, now next is the junk food and its side effects. That what is the side effects of junk food? अगर हम रोज़ जंक फूड खाएंगे तो ये हमारे मोटापन को, हमारे मोटापे को इंक्रीज़ करता है, बढ़ाता है. क्लियर? एंड कॉज हार्ट डिजीजेस एंड मैनी मोर. ईटिंग टू मच ऑफ जंक फूड is linked to serious health problem. It can cause problem in memory and learning, cause blood pressure. Okay, means कि जंक फूड हमारी यादाश्त तो हमारे ब्लड प्रेशर को इफ़ेक्ट करता है. Above all, you can get various nutritional deficiencies. Junk food will not satisfy the energy level of your body and you will feel inactiveness, sleepiness and less energetic. तो हम बहुत sleepiness feel करते हैं. Clear? This is because of junk food. If you eat in daily routine, if you use junk food in the daily routine. Okay? एंड इन शॉर्ट द जंक फूड हम जंक फूड हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी और न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रोवाइड नहीं करता और हम कमज़ोरी और सुस्ती फील करते हैं. क्लियर? सो यू आर what you eat. It's mean if you develop a healthy eating habit, you will be healthy. If you eat good, you will feel good. Okay, so eat good, feel good. So dear student, I hope carefully listen this video. So I hope you will understand this topic very well. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.